Good morning and welcome to the Forex Daily Update, brought to you by Pepperstone on Wednesday the 6th of December 2017. I'm Darren Sinden and you can follow me throughout the day on Twitter by using @ds_Pepperstone. Right, overnight changes and price moves to be aware of. A relatively quiet session overnight on the world's foreign exchanges. One or 2 points to flag though. 118.41 euro dollar at the moment, jockeying for position there when it's not quite clear who's got the upper hand in that pair at the moment. Cable 134.23, sterling holding its own despite the political problems around Brexit and the deal with the DUP. The Kiwi against the US dollar making gains of 0.45%, and the other big mover that stands out really, the Korean won against the US dollar, a move of 0.63% there. Away from traditional currencies in the world of cryptos, Bitcoin has pushed through the $12,000 barrier, to trade at 12,302 shortly before we recorded the video. Right, what's on the calendar? Events that may move the markets. A pretty busy calendar today. We've already had Australian GDP data for Q3, and we'll look at those numbers in a bit more detail momentarily. To come in Europe at 7 AM GMT, we'll have factory orders data for October out of Germany. That'll be followed at 8:15 by consumer price index data or CPI data for November from Switzerland. Jumping ahead to 10:30 GMT, we'll hear a speech from the ECB member Mersch, and they'll be taking to the stand at 10:30 GMT, as I say. Jump ahead then to 12 o'clock GMT and NBA mortgage applications data out of the States. And then to follow that at 13:15, we'll have the ADP employment data. And that, of course, is a precursor to tomorrow's non-farm payrolls. 3 o'clock GMT, and we'll hear from the Bank of Canada on interest rates, the rate statement and interest rate decision. It'll be interesting to see if they take any further action, having set the ball rolling in September. And then later today at 23:50, we'll have Japanese foreign reserves, foreign bond investment data and foreign investment in Japanese stocks as well. Okay, breaking news and comment that's caught my eye. First of all, Hong Kong equities have fallen by as much as 2.1%, the largest such move for 2 months. Australia's Q3 GDP read comes in below forecast and growth is slowing, but the data still remains bullish. President Trump looks set to recognise Jerusalem as Israel's capital. This is a symbolic gesture, but one that could upset other Middle Eastern countries and therefore reflect into the price of oil. Gold has touched a 2-month low, and mining shares in Asia Pacific have also eased. And as we've seen, Bitcoin trades well above $12,000 per coin, a new big figure barrier broken. Right, food for thought, something to take away with you into the trading day. And think about this. The global economic recovery is having some unexpected and perhaps unfortunate consequences, and a lack of spare capacity among dry bulk carriers, the ships that carry things like grain, has seen the Baltic Freight Index rally up 73% year to date, and you can see that clearly in the charts to the right. These higher shipping costs could well be reflected in food prices during 2018 and beyond, and they will obviously feed into inflation measures and into consumer spending too. Right, please take a moment to read the risk warning. Trading CFDs and foreign exchange on margin can be a risky business. If you're in any doubt about those risks or the suitability of the products for you, then please contact your Pepperstone account representative. Thank you for your time.